With Charmy. Ang babaeng walang pahinga. Magdalena. Meron bang makakain dyan na masarap?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi naman kasabuhin yung makakain eh. You know that.
Yung kakay...
Coral. I know.
Yung kakaiba.
I want to... Gusto ko
Nahihiya
fishball.
ako.
Parehas tayo. Gusto ko sabi ko nga sa'yo. Hanap ko PR. Ito na naman tayo. Puro na lang sa kita.
Baka meron bilihan dyan ng... Yung turo-turo meron.
Wow. Taga rito ba akit?
Sabihin mo kay Lilibet. Lilibet mo baka nandito na kami. Look, Tef Cafe. This one. How about that one? Ay, putang ina, English ang labanan. Can you open the umbrella?
Tingnan mo. Umbrella, yes.
Can you open for me? For us?
Can you hold this one for you? By yourself. Ina mo.
Gago.
Sige.
Ay, ano to? Gusto mo magkape?
I want ramen, I want Korean.
I wanna drink coffee. The coffee then.
Starbucks. I don't want coffee. Yeah, I just want Starbucks in it.
Oh my goodness. My friend
Yes,
wants
your
Starbucks.
Because I want Starbucks.
She wants Starbucks.
Yes.
She is so feeling.
No, I'm not feeling. I just want the days of the Starbucks.
Feelingera.
Ina mo ka.
She
I
is
want the
feelingera.
original flavor. I want the Starbucks right now.
Welcome to Whampoa.
Here, hold this one first. And
Why?
I'm gonna take my phone because I need to show my I am one of them.
I want to pee. Where's the toilet?
Pee in the
Maybe this one. Tea? You want a tea? Tea? Coffee or me? Here? Oh my gosh. Hello everyone. Nandito tayo sa Whampoa. Sinamahan ko yung aking friend. Kasi may bibilin siya dito. Ayan. At maulan guys. Sobrang maulan talaga.